This is a short, honest review on Mr. Plumber. We got this because our bathtub got a little plugged up. Excuse the car while it goes by. And we said, oh, it'd be cheaper than getting Drano. Drano's kind of expensive. So we got this instead, and it did absolutely nothing to help. Literally nothing. So then we went back to the store and then bought Drano, the right stuff. So you ever heard of that old saying, buy it once? That'd be the best thing to do. Don't get this stuff. It's really not good at all. Bypass it, get the real thing. Y'all have a good one.